welcome to my channel. My name is Kriti and my blog is called Balancia, where I talk about how you can manage a balanced lifestyle. So today what we are talking about is a facial which may seem a little easy, but it's really not. It is something basic that we do using this, which is an egg. Of course, all of y'all know who are into skincare that egg is really good for your skin. It closes all your pores. It kind of cleanses all your pores and skin tightening. People who are fighting aging, so it's really good for anti-aging as well. So yeah, egg has a lot of benefits for skin as well as hair, of course, but definitely for skin these are the ones that I have mentioned. But what we are doing today is a different kind of skin masking which could get a little hectic. So if you are in for a extreme skin egg peel, this is for you. What I have done already is I have taken just the egg white out of this egg. So what we're going to do is we're first going to apply this all over our face like a usual mask, and then comes the tricky part. So for this, first I'm going to secure my hair, very important. But yes, so now we start applying this like a regular mask. So we apply it all over our face. Ensure your face is really clean. Mine is just been like oil massaged and cleansed with a proper cleanser and all of that. So ensure that your face is really clean. So now that I have applied this egg all over my face, of course you can see there is some left, and there will always be some left because there's only that much that you can put on your face. But now what we are doing is we are making this egg mask a little more stiffer by using these tissues. So what we do is we start applying these tissues on our face and stick it to our face. So I'll tear this into half, and how you would apply a sheet mask basically. So that's how you go with this. You apply it on, you just like put it all over your face. So you cover your face completely with it. So once we have covered our entire face with this tissue, don't laugh, I know it looks funny, but it is really known to help be a good procedure. We're going to start applying the egg mask back on our face and make sure that the tissue is like completely sticking, not tearing out, and so now if you can see, I have completely secured my face with this tissue like how you would put a sheet mask. I have put done exactly that, and I have rubbed the egg yolk, the egg white I mean, all over the tissue, so it is completely secured. I'm going to keep this for good 20 minutes, and then I'm going to show you how to peel it off. When you peel it off, you see, all your dirt comes out, like how I said that it clears all your pores, so all your dirt comes out, all the extra dead cells, everything comes out, so it gives like a double effect of the whole egg facial. So let me here for 20 minutes and show you all how we can do this. And now that I have washed off my face, guys, y'all can see the difference on my face. It's looking really, really, really nice. And I just feel like it's become so pure. Like, I feel like all the impurities are out in that tissue, and everything that had to come out of my skin is out, and I'm fully cleansed and I'm looking like great. So this is a really, really, really good technique. I genuinely thought that it would be really tough to do, but it wasn't. You all saw I did it really easily. Just one tip, I use these bigger tissues. I feel if you can use toilet roll on your face, it will be better, because then you won't have to tear out the extra parts, and like everything will be well accumulated on your face. So yeah, guys, do try this. Do like my video if you'll actually like seeing me in my tissue avatar, and leave in your comments what you thought about it, whether you tried it or not, if it worked for you or not, if you want any more advice on that. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you all soon. Please do subscribe to my channel. I post a lot on skincare, hair care, health care, fitness, food, and all. You get a lot of insight from that. Bye bye.